The 2025 Mitsubishi Delica D5 motorhome takes the rugged versatility of the iconic Delica and transforms it into the ultimate compact adventure vehicle. If you've ever dreamed of a go-anywhere, do-anything home on wheels that doesn't feel oversized or clumsy, this could be your perfect match. Welcome back to Car Flair. Today we're diving into one of the most exciting camper conversions of the year. Mitsubishi's Delica D5 has always been known for its unique blend of minivan comfort and SUV-like capability. But in its motorhome version for 2025, it goes one step further, combining everyday drivability with full-on adventure readiness. Built on the same tough and capable platform, this Delica is equipped with Mitsubishi's Super All-Wheel Control System, giving it excellent traction on rough terrain, muddy paths, or snowy backroads. Powering this compact motorhome is the trusted 2.2-liter turbo diesel engine, delivering around 170 horsepower and nearly 290 pound-feet of torque. That's more than enough for long road trips, even with gear and equipment loaded up. It's paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, tuned for smooth power delivery whether you're cruising highways or climbing steep hills. What makes the Delica D5 motorhome truly special is how it uses space. Inside, it's a masterclass in compact living. The cabin has been reimagined with a modular interior, a foldable bed setup, a small but functional kitchenette with a sink and portable stove, and clever storage tucked into every corner. You can sleep too comfortably, and the seating area converts into a small dining or workspace. There's even room for a compact fridge and auxiliary battery power for off-grid stays. Despite being a motorhome, it doesn't feel like you're driving a giant RV. The Delica D5 remains easy to handle in traffic and can park in regular-sized spots, perfect for urban explorers and weekend travelers alike. Plus, it still retains its sliding doors for easy access, and the high ground clearance means it won't shy away from light off-roading. For 2025, Mitsubishi and aftermarket partners have also focused on durability. Interior surfaces are water-resistant, built for use in sandy, wet, or muddy conditions. Optional solar panels, roof racks, and rear-mounted bike carriers make it an even more complete travel solution. The 2025 Mitsubishi Delica D5 motorhome proves you don't need a massive RV to hit the road in comfort and style. It's compact, capable, and packed with personality. If you're into van life or just want a weekend escape vehicle, this could be the one to watch. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more here on Car Flair.